Okay, good afternoon everyone. Let us start the second lesson of module 2, tax. Okay, now tax means, I think in Arabic we call it gariba, right? Dariba or gariba. Tax yani this is the amount that is imposed by the government on the products and services. Yani, let's say you go to the restaurant, you go to Carrefour, you buy something. Let's say you buy something of 100 dirham, okay, in Carrefour. When you will go to the cash counter and you will ask him to do the bill, your final bill will be more than 100 dirham. You will see that he has added 5 to 10 dirhams in it, and he will ask you to pay 105 dirhams rather than 100 dirham. Why? Because this 5 dirhams, this amount, it goes to the government. Where? Government, like hukuma, right? And why does it go to the government? Because government use this money along with the other money that they get from different businesses to provide you different facilities. For example, you are getting the roads for free, then you are getting good street lights, hospitals, and different things from the government, right? So they need money for it. So tax is one source of income for the government. So this money that directly goes to the government, we call it what? Tax. Okay. Now in UAE, if you know that the tax amount is 5%, tax is how much? 5%. So let us understand it with the help of an example. Let's say you went to a restaurant, okay? You went to a restaurant and you eat some food. The food was of, let's say, 150 dirhams. Hmm? After eating the food, when you asked for the bill, they said, sir, the tax is 5%. So you have to pay the 5% tax also, which will go to the government. So I asked, okay, I will pay in dirhams, not in percentage, right? So please change this percentage into dirham for me. He said, no problem, sir. The tax amount will be 5% of 150. Why did I write like this? Because you are paying the tax on the bill, right? Bill is how much? 150 dirham for the food, and the tax is 5%. He said solve this and you will get the answer in dirhams. I said okay. You already know percent means taqsim 100, divide 100. So okay, no problem. Remember this off means multiply. This off means multiply. Remember this, okay? Multiply by 150. Now if you see 0 in the last up and 0 in the last down, khalas, cancel them. Okay, now check 5 and 10, both of them comes in the table of 5. So I can do 5 divide 5, which will give me 1, and 10 divide 5, which will give me 2. Now what do I have? 1 multiply 15, that is equal to 15, and down I have 2, so divided by 2. 15 divided 2 will give me 7.5. Yani the tax is how much? 7.5 dirhams. Now how much will I pay? I will pay 150 dirham for the food plus 7.5 dirham tax, yani 157.5 dirhams. This 150 dirham, it will go to the restaurant owner, and this 7.5 dirham will go to the hukuma, the government. Okay, understood? So in the question, if they ask you about the tax only, then 7.5 is the answer. And if they ask you about the total amount that you will pay, then the answer will be 157.5 dirham. Okay, so let us start with some questions. Now, question number 1. The price of a car is 300,000 dirhams, and there is a tax on the car of 15,000 dirham. See, here the tax is given in dirhams only, so no problem for us. What will be the final price? My final price will be the price of the car plus the tax, correct? The price of the car is 300,000 dirhams, yes or no? And then the tax is how much? 15,000 dirhams, correct? So 300,000 plus 15,000 will give me 315,000 dirhams. Khalas. So this is the total amount that I will pay, the final price. Understood? Easy. Let us come to the next question. The price of a hotel for 3 nights is 300 dirham. Okay. So for 3 nights I have to pay 300 dirhams. Okay. This is the price of the hotel. Now there is a sale tax on it. The tax is how much? 10%. So he said, tell me the final price. So how will I find the final price? Final price will be the like price of the hotel plus the tax, correct? What is the price for the hotel? Like 300 dirham for the stay, correct? Plus 10% tax. 10% on what? 10% on the bill, correct or no? What is the bill? 300. So 300. Let us solve this. 300 will remain like this. We will add it in the last. Let us solve this first because we want dirham, right? So to get dirhams, to get the tax in dirham, we have to solve this first. So 10% यानी 10 divided by 100 of यानी multiply 300. Now check. There are 2 zeros in the last here, 2 zeros in the last here. What do I have now? 10 times 3. 10 times 3 will be 30. So here 300 plus 30 dirham tax, yani I will end up paying 330 dirhams. Okay, I hope you understood. Let us move to the next question. Zayed wants to buy a t-shirt of dirham 27.5. Okay, what is the price of the t-shirt? 27.5. And there is a tax of 7.5% on it. So we have to find the total cost of the t-shirt. Okay, again, you know, for the total cost, I need the price of t-shirt plus the tax. Now what is the price of t-shirt? 27.5 dirhams plus, now the tax is in percent, 7.5% of what is the price of the t-shirt? 27.5. So the tax will be on 27.5. Now let us solve it. 27.5 will remain like this only. We have to solve this first. We have to change the percentage into dirham first. We have to change the tax into dirham. So 7.5 over 100. Why? Because percent means taqseem 100, of means multiply. Yes, so of means multiply 27.5. Now we have to solve it. See, these decimal, they are a little bit of problem, so I want to remove it. How will I remove? Check. After the point, how many number do you see? One number here. After the point, how many number do you see? One number. So 1 and 1, 2 numbers. So if I will put 100 down with 2 zeros for 2 numbers after a decimal, then these decimals will go. So I can simply now erase the decimal. The decimal will go. Now this is my question. I have to solve this. Now check carefully. To solve this, your tables and division power should be strong. If I check the 75 and 100, both of them comes in the table of 25. So I can do taqseem 25 here, taqseem 25 here. 75 divide 25, 3, because 25 times 3 give me 75. And 25 times 4 gives me 100. So here I can write 4. Now here again, if I want to do with 25, because I know 25 times 10 will give me 250, correct? And this is 275, yani 25 more in 250. So this will be times 11 rather than times 10, because one extra 25, correct, in 250. And this will be again 25 times 4. And if you did not understand this, let me show you the division here. 275 divided by 25. 25 times 1, 25. do minus, 7 minus 5, 2. Next number will come down, 25 times 1, 25. We do minus, we get 0, and this is the answer. Okay, this is how we get it. Now, let's solve it further. Equals 27.5 here, same. Now here I have 3 times 11, that will be 33, over 4 times 4, that is 16. Okay, so now we have to do 33 over 16. So let me show it to you. It will be 2.0 something, but I will show you how to do it. Okay, now see, in the table of 16, 16 times 2 will be 32, which is the closest number to 33, which is possible in the table of 16. Do minus, you will get 1 here. There is no number to bring down. So what will I do? I need a bigger number here. Bigger than what? Bigger than 16. So what will I do? You put a point in the answer. The point gives you the power to put a 0 here. Check the 10. Is the 10 bigger than 16? No. Still smaller. Now if you need one more 0, you have to put a 0 in the answer also. Now 16 times 6 will be 96, which is very close to 100, right? No need to solve further. We need answer only up to 2 places of decimal. So 2.06, right? So this will become 27.5 plus 2.06, okay, approximate, equals to, just add them. This will become 6 here, 5 here, 7 into 9 here, and 2 here. So 29.56. How did I add them? Just remember, whenever you are adding the numbers with point, with decimal, the first rule is put the points in the Seedha line, okay, like this. But then write the number 27.5. So 27.5. Then 2.06. So write the 2 below 7, okay, in symmetry. Then 0 will come here, 6 will come here. Now check, there is no number here. Fill the place with 0, no problem. Now add 0 plus 6, 6. 5 plus 0, 5. Point in the Seedha line, straight line. 7 plus 2, 9, and here 2. So the answer is 29.56 here. Okay, I hope you understood. Now, this is it for this lesson. So what did we understand? Tax यानी the dariba, the amount that the government take from you for whenever you do some shopping or purchasing. Okay, now first of all, the tax will be given in percentage. Normally you have to change the percentage into dirham. How? Like this. For example, 10% is given, so 10% of 300. Percent यानी तकसीम 100, of यानी multiply, solve. Whenever you get the answer in dirhams, add it to the bill, the amount, and you will get the answer. Okay, I hope you understood the lesson. Practice the question from the book. If you do not understand anything, you can come to me in the classroom also. Goodbye, have a great day.